MoU that we just signed is the beginning of a relationship between Volkswagen and the government and people of Rwanda. And so we are looking forward to have a partnership that will not only make the cars available, but also start a trend of sharing cars, where people who choose not to own a car, whether they can afford to own it or not, can actually choose to share it with others. I believe it's going to create a transfer of skills into the Rwandan engineering community and broadly the technical community. We are committed, you can trust us, and we can prove to you that we are indeed partners that you will be happy to have. Welcome on board into our country, and thank you once again for joining the rest of the investment community in Rwanda.
When I came to Rwanda first time, I was very impressed. Not only by the beauty of the country, but specifically by the professionalism that this office, especially the RDB and the other ministries that we were dealing with, showed, and how quickly we could come to conclusions in this matter. It will create employment, obviously, in the car sharing and ride-hailing services, but we will also build up a vehicle assembly in Kigali that will feed into the automotive mobility service. We're also looking at training. Foundation of Volkswagen is skills and training. I'm personally very excited that we could bring this to such a quick and positive resolution. As I said earlier, the discussions with the government were extremely positive, extremely professional, and I'm glad we are here today, and I'm glad that my boss is here today and my colleagues who can witness all of that, and will hopefully make it a great success story for Rwanda and for Volkswagen. So thank you very much.